Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you use Notion to organize your notes, tasks, or even run your business, keeping your data safe is crucial. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 best ways to back up your Notion workspace. By the end of this video, you'll know how to protect your information, restore deleted content, and save your pages in multiple formats, so let's get started. Let's jump right in with the first method, exporting a single page. So imagine you have a Notion page that's especially important. Maybe it's a big project plan, a journal, or a set of meeting notes. To back it up, look up in the top right corner of that page. You'll see those familiar 3-dot menu. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see an option labeled Export. Click Export and Notion will give you choices for how you want to save your data. You can export as a PDF if you want a locked-in snapshot, HTML if you prefer a web format, or CSV for spreadsheet-friendly data. Pick whichever format works best for you. For example, PDF is great for sharing with others who don't use Notion, while CSV is handy for importing into Excel. Once you select your format, just click Export and download the file when it's ready. Don't worry if this process takes a moment. Bigger pages can take a little longer, but Notion is doing all the heavy lifting for you. Now, sometimes things go wrong. Maybe you deleted a page by accident. Take a deep breath. Notion has an easy fix for this. On the left-hand pane of your workspace, you'll see an option called Trash. Every page or block you delete ends up here, just like a safety net. Click on Trash, find the page you want to restore, and hit Restore. It's just like pulling something out of your household garbage before it's picked up. The data isn't gone until you permanently remove it. If you ever have that sinking feeling after deleting something, check Trash first. In most cases, you can get it back instantly. Here's another strategy for power users: restoring previous versions using version history. Every so often, you might want to roll back to an earlier edit. Maybe you made changes you regret, or you need to check what a page looked like last week. Again, click the 3-dot menu on your page. You'll find version history in this list. Clicking this opens up a timeline of earlier versions. Browse through, and when you find the one you want, you can restore it. This is seriously useful if you're collaborating with teammates or experimenting with content. And if you want to back up everything, I mean your entire workspace, not just one page, Notion makes this easy too. Head into Settings. You'll find this by clicking on your workspace name or your avatar, then click General. Scroll until you see Export All. Hit this button and Notion will bundle all your pages together for export. Be aware, depending on how much you've stored in Notion, this can take a couple of minutes. It's perfect for creating a backup before making major changes or just for your peace of mind. So there you have it, 3 practical methods to ensure you never lose your Notion data. Whether you're exporting a single page, retrieving something from trash, or saving your entire workspace, you've got options that fit every situation. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Notion tip you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest how-tos and guides. Thanks so much for watching, take care, and happy organizing.